Still don't understand how me and my friends survived that.
That's a very interesting story, Mr. Timmy.
No, just Tim, sir. Just Tim.
Tim. Okay, Mr. Tim, you're still suffering from hallucination crack syndrome, which is a term I just invented now. What you suffer from is due to the loneliness of not seeing your friends that you encounter this adventure with. So, here's what you're gonna do, Mr. Tim. You are gonna go on vacation for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna hook you up with you and your friends. That's not a question, that's an order. Got it?
Okay.
Now get out of my office.
What?
Get out of my office.
You're kicking me out?
Yes.
I'm paid.
I have another appointment, Mr. Timmy.
Tim.
Tim!
Yo! Diane!
Yay! Okay, well, we're gonna go and unpack.
Okay. My psychiatrist told me to relax.
Tim, are you okay, Tim? Tim! Timmy!
Monsters from the crack, they are back.
No, they're not, Tim. Come on, you're seeing things again. Let's go get something to eat.